Hello everybody, it's my another video clip in which I will be saying something about what's the difference in between time independent Schrödinger wave equation and time dependent Schrödinger wave equation. I will give you one example case for the same and we will go step by step. The solution of time independent Schrödinger equation results in stationary states where the probability density is independent of time. I will clear it out. The solution of time independent Schrödinger equation. See, Schrödinger equation is actually two-dimensional differential equation. We know that equation well, we need not write the theory here over. The equation time independent Schrödinger wave equation is actually minus h cross square by 2m dou square psi by dou x square plus v psi of x equal to e psi of x. The solution of the time independent Schrödinger wave equation, that is the psi of x, results in stationary states where the probability density is independent of time. May you not understand fully this. For that I give you one example. The example is, let us consider a free electron present in a box. The solution of time independent Schrödinger wave equation yields electron energy levels. Again I say, the solution of time independent Schrödinger equation yields electron energy levels which are quantized. So we should know about what do you mean by electron energy levels, what do you mean by quantized. So you underline these two things or you take it in a separate note that electron energy levels as well quantized. You go for the meaning of these two words. Okay, I go further. The probability of finding the electron in each energy level is independent of time. The probability of finding the electron in each energy level, say for example the ground state, is independent of time. That is, the electron stays in the corresponding energy level forever. It is the state of the energy level of the electron is independent of time. Then the solution of time dependent Schrödinger equation results in the states which are not stationary. The corresponding probability densities are not constant and they vary with time. Again, if you do see the example for this time dependent Schrödinger wave equation, we can say it the same example of electron in a box. The electron is free and it exhibits kinetic energy. If we apply an electric field on the box periodically, that is, if we perturb the box periodically using some time dependent electric field, the perturbation acts as the time dependent potential energy for the electron. In such situations, the original wave functions and the corresponding probability densities of the electron are not constant and they do depend on the time. So these are the difference in between time independent Schrödinger wave equation and time dependent Schrödinger wave equation. We also see further explanation in my next video talk. Till then, have a bye. नमस्कार.